Good, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to build coming soon page in Wix. If you already have a website on Wix and you would like to add the coming soon page, all you'll need to do once on the Wix editor page is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon from the top that says pages and menu. From here, you're going to tap on add page. After tapping on add page, you're going to select landing page. Then from there, you can see the different coming soon pages. So you can select whichever one of these templates suits you. So for example, let's say we would like to use this one. All you'll need to do is tap on add page. After you have tapped on add page, you can see the page is being added right there. Once the page has been added, so we're going to tap on continue for it to be saved. You can edit the page name if you want by simply tapping on the three dots. You could tap on rename and you could name it to, for example, coming soon page if you want, or whatever you would like it to be. If you would like it to be the main home page, meaning that it would be the first page that persons see once they visit your website, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the three dots, and then from there you could tap on set as home page. After you have tapped on set as home page, it will now be the main home page. So for example, if we were to tap on save in the top right hand corner, then tap on save and continue, and I'm going to tap on done. You can see right here, if we were to tap on preview, once someone visits our website, this is the page that they'll see, the coming soon page. So we are coming soon, and scroll down and you can see get on this list, and they can fill in their first, last name, email address, and then tap on subscribe. Now when it comes on to editing the coming soon page, it is quite easy to do. All you'll need to do is tap on back to editor. Then once on the coming soon page, you'll hover over the section that you would like to change, and you're going to tap on quick edit. After you have tapped on quick edit, if it is a case that you would like to change the background color, you can tap right where you see section background, and you could tap on change. You can add an image if you want, or you could tap on color and you could choose from any one of these colors to change your background color, as you can see right there. If it is a case that you would like to edit the text, all you'll need to do, you can tap right here where you see paragraph, and you could change the text if you want. You can also go down, and if you would like to change this section, you can also change that right there. So as you can see, it is quite easy to edit. You can also edit the contact section by tapping right there. You could change the background section again, and you can also change the title and the text. And if it's a case that you like to edit the form fields, you can tap on form settings, and by doing that you will be able to add fields if you want, or you can change how it looks. You can add payment options. You can tap on settings right there, and you can set up email notifications and so on if you want. And you can also add conditions if you want, or new rules, or so on. You can also set up automations, so that means that once someone signs up to your email listing, they'll receive a thank you email or so on if you want. So you can create different automations. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.